first word, a be colorful, a be eventful, a be memorable day for the Ghana Police Service and make us a Ghana as a whole. Because up him so and easy so between to say at all. To otunetwa na extra will say and yama pabi ediana mona wedding otuna echi. And then I'm expecting say there will be a renewed spirit in Ghana Police Service because say Kwame Nkwantabisa say ebe srawa.
Yeah.
A tressa dear woye no, na ni wom, or her dear woye, na or pesa dear woye no sukoye.
Exactly.
Nti penimu and visit you obi asa kwa.
Yeah, no kwasem.
Penimu visit you obi asa.
Yes.
Yes. Kwame ntina ebi to me ye program be inviting penifu kukudam. Be say ebeduru ono atro say bia say no to nipa manaba be see anan. But when penimu ankasa say opem so na ankasa yewura adia tum say or sorry aba visit Ghana Police Service. Oh yeah.
All right, na bibi anso ya memba ahwefo ne atie for so ate.
Sure.
But Kwame, why a professional teacher paying once a soldier is a soldier. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Ghana National Association of Teachers on conference. Now during the conference, or making certain statement, you take a camera.
Indeed, I saw that video, and a safe and secure working environment is a must. Indeed, I saw that video of I think it was a maths teacher being beaten because when he was invigilating, he refused to allow our children to cheat. And they had a sense of entitlement. And so why did you not allow us to cheat? And the unfortunate thing is that the matter went to the police station, and the parents of the students went to the police, and they said they settled the matter amicably. I mean, how is that? This is assault, it's criminal, you know. But when we inquired, the police also said, I think the teacher was compensated, so he didn't want to press charges anymore. But I said, at least the children should have been booked, they should have been taken through the legal process, and at least, if nothing at all, they should have been bonded to be of good behavior for a period of time. And then we'll believe that justice has been done. But just for parents to come and, you know, pay a little compensation, it will encourage others to do the same. You know, and so as for assaults on teachers, I am with you 100%. And a safe and secure working environment is a must. Indeed, I saw that video of I think it was a maths teacher being beaten.
All right, and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Anna Ote say, Odon so, Emra Onya Kwenya say address a teachers no. Or can say, na an idea, Yanan say nambing. Sir, teacher nyo chillen quadadie. In fact, me say subject as you for be brain pay mathematics. Na ma si hu asem ya na ye bebre e teacher ni ba se o ya nkyira mo ya mma mo ya obia ni obeboa mo apon so ye so di roma na teacher for so mo allow ene enkwada ye ya no mse wo ene ye behwe pa ye be chiayam o ye pupu ba bu teacher ni se mba ya se o makata so a o mbuza police form so o ma settle. I believe that there's ADR, there's an alternative dispute resolution. But it told the beer was a man who say the law is the law. The law is always the law. Kwame, from Nkwadano, the any the parents' intervention, and now President call for says such nyoma ACC is in say yedi ani kompa ya men say akanifie na and echina bi na kwada foforo kwa koye bi obeka say bono munya burna de mbaye ni bia papa ba bitua yo papa o skaka kra sabi na se huna na abofra no be school ba bit because say no matter what happens ne papa ba bitua.
Kwame, it's very sad say 21st century baby ya drew yenim say child protection e wo ho ye di ye eniema ne nsisaya hodo e di aba ene ye di protecting koda no e wo school mu but then the was said also yede account yede protect teacher sebe ya the absolute respect na we say fear koda no no the teacher ni no otumi nya no. It is not happening. We want the teachers to give these kids respect, treat them with fairness, treat them on a ground a kama. But then enkoda no nso no say yenso ye di omofa kwan bi so amahunu say di ogina wanim no okuta odachi besi ya ono na hye because he is going to inculcate a niema baku mienu bi ebetumi ama opposition wo ho ebetumi ama waye discipline ebetumi ama waye fast in learning ebetumi ama wohu kwan ebetumi consolidate niema no. You are disrespecting this elderly person before you are or there. It means that one kasa wodachi no na oyede wudi kan asay no wodachi no na o ma ho kwan say bekoye e de ama. However, Kwame, I have issues about how the system, the government is treating a churchful because we shouldn't have gotten here.
Okay,
Kwame, and a teacher for we give them all the needed and niema e woso mo de kira kodana de ye de mana Kwame nka kodano edu time okwakocho exam. There's nothing to think about. Your friend say more practice. It will not even come to akodani trim. Not to talk of say teacher ni beka say man shada nyabre ana say incentives in shada ni wonti to mi anchira kodana de na me scale and penny for the big great me jina kodano the outcome of the exam or cultural. And so I have to do all I can to make sure say kodano be pass.
Yeah. But Kwame, to add to what you are saying, kodano me too omufu. Right, omunsu adio. Because aban we send your yama or my teachers in the morano. As I'm so old, I'm going to be calculating. And there you walk or pain and I'll prepare that one.
Yes. Yes.
Next time round, no room for imbecility.
Yes. Yes.
And the aquadano, me pesa of one day shen quadratrim say. Suku na wokono. One go school say. During the final exam, teacher ni ne babe wow. And the afi when quadao mo kwa prepare for exams no. Eye BC ni wasi ni na. O man prepare omu ho psychologically. O man prepare omu ho emotionally, or man prepare more academically. Kwame, do room why you will struggle.
You struggle. And Kwame, just like what you are saying, what was it? Sanya maya all kind psychologically, academically, emotionally, no. Nina so teacher ni no na eba be prepare koda no.
Exactly.
Here is the case that the structures in this country are yede be prepare koda no firi wo mo mofrase. Na yatumi prepare ma dwena position omu yie no manya clean path Kwame obo fa so sebe ya afei teacher ni gina na nim no o kire na de a pa na atoni tirimo no. These structures are not there. We've left it to rot. Kwame, prime example has to do with the Kwame the enkwada ni be boss no anya nsunsanso wo ma dwene so.
Exactly.
Here is the case the structure a dynocra koda na komu classroom no say a saito sense ye din a dyna say kratiti apansam nti there's no brightness bikura wodi kan hu na man adwene abadi bibia ba ne timu say hey mi school dan ye fo nti wo ye bibi say ya say ni say na what say ye no. So you see at least a brasso say ya chance ye ya prepare school grounds no akoda ni wuramu a wanya hofama bi wanya nijie bi so oba campus so make Kwame okwa wura campus so ehonye classroom obetena enye fe teacher ni kro ba bi gina na nimo no yentue teacher ni kanti no na hofama so ensiye. So nothing encourages the child through what he or she sees, feels, lives with. Yeah, betumi amatam bia obepese obeba campus no oba besua de. So we have to provide some nyaman kiti bia ebe man koda na dwene ayeden abade no musua no eso na fe ya share teacher for no kutupa na nyama e wo so ehi omo no mutumi de kira de because o kira de na kwani gina ho no ohwe na practical things wo na Kwame o de kira na de a o Kwame fast obeti ase because enkoda no won so mu nyini na aso ne ani no eye adwuma pa ti de odi na ni hu no aso nya teka ho pe na kam but say asonko etie na na ni hu there's no practical thing being done before the kid Kwame
Kwame ana etodo bia mame fa saade we so ye tu akrafo ye twumo mo ne
yes
there are some teachers any head of institutions schools in bebre baba ko emre bi no be ga chem so omba be try exams no say omfa honorium emma teachers I am not against say Kwame you appreciate teachers obe appreciate o madwuma omo ye na waka say adwuma omo ye no ye bomb abaso in a way but Kwame at that moment SSC ni ba be koso na wasi ni ba be koso no that moment why na mandatory say akwada bia amfa this amount embra amount no mo de ba be dey so o make inquiries they will tell you so a motivational money and a honorium ye dey teachers the moment I decide we be share people no and akwada ni tirim no akwada ni ewo arehemu bi say ye twesi kase teacher ni emboa me
yes
enti sabre wa bedi twade a efiri na no eti akwada ni ba no programming na adwen say me papa twia this amount say ye dey teachers enti teacher ni na kwan bia so also ma me wia teacher ni na kwan bia so also o ma me ebo akro no eti sa akwada ni beduru ho na kwa me wa mwa akwada no na akwada ni hu say ni sika na otwa no onya value for money and I said, you told us, Cano, oh, yeah. I know the man could agitated the Bebrena teachers, no. And the teachers in the head of schools, head of institution, they have to be careful.
Yeah, sure.
So, on an area of need teachers' motivation, no, you bet you a young time in ye. But, sir, by some schools, no, Sakwadana, you think I just say my exams. Only you know, Nakwadanesa. Because I'm rebia man who say. Game teacher need be motivational message money and I am an onerium. I
free kwada.
A free kwada. Yes. Say you better appreciate teachers. I don't have problem. Already you are being paid as professionals. But say teacher need your demand be a hodom map kakra teacher. Teacher J, teacher CJ, teacher Kwame J,
teachers here.
Your money be a mandatory, Kwame. Your money be a mandatory. Say chin. I was akwadani this kaba because of kwako choice and so anything you do onerium there. Akwadano buano bebu teachers.
I mean, what really big point we were having say, which like it would need time now extensively no ye din komo e dia fa. I mean, first of all say sajwene no enya ba teacher for trimu say ye jibribi as the whatever word you used to describe them, say motivational, say whatsoever. It points to the fact, say Kwame, the teachers themselves are accepting the fact, say they didn't prepare the kids well for the exams. Kwame Pastor, what am I saying? Not just say one more preparing Kodano well for the tax ahead of them.
Yes.
It means that Kodano one more for one ra and near me was here do a wuramu ye sabaya a breno a sono mo kwakochra one more kwakochra no muni how bia
and to you name Kwadani handicap.
Yes,
they also pay ways and means beyond the Bebo Kwadano.
Yes. However, Kwame, I wouldn't want to blame the teacher say one preparing Kodana ye. In my earlier submission, na me chere bi say teacher you know me kan Kwame or chira Kodana ICT. Yeah, I was going go here computer synonym Kwame. Nko chira Kodana nso be synonym. Until there's a projected screen before the kids. Say, one sano there's a certain button here for onsato so. Ye ko hanum say your screen no so now on so we are share laptop no so now for ko honum na ko kire Kwame we draw some of these things on the blackboard near the actual Kodana thing akoda no benya laptop na it looks as if say ni teacher ni no kura nkire na de no bi kura da ohun bi da on share bi da. You get my point?
Yeah.
But when you go to these schools now, you better say I did grade A, which the last time I was raising a certain point here, but I didn't get enough time to elaborate on that. I asked them for say Kwame, you give this grade A schools all the near man Kwame omuhia de chira Kwame, what is it? Grade A, you say omu to apoya obi ho. Why? Because there here was here the chira kodano. Jadi I bring ya kodano adwene up to speed e be man atiase no it is there nti ye kire kodano na ni tuem nti wo teacher ni no kra se wo kire no na se mfomso ba bi wo ho enam se ebi da nanim na ni tuem nti otumi bisawo straight question wo honum no atwe wo teacher ni na adwene asi so se ebia ba bia wo kire no de na kono mfomso wo what you say but then no wo be ko sa schools here yes site to here wo be krom Kwame down so prime example we go pm koko an na sefo no they do not have all of these things but at the end of the year they are going to sit in the same classroom with this kids
exactly
to write the same exam
so already you are disadvantaged
yes
ana ade badada
da
if say baby who free no because those days ICT buy na ejina na so pa one where school awoko no ya draw mouse near their 20 mouse no say kura
yes
make our school ba kwa kwada ye say a mouse ni on fa den sanko so akwada no so anyino no say mouse ye kura
you get it
ohun computer da
you get it
now I can say mouse dey fa ansa be so mouse ana kura so sun think say kwada no say on fa den sanko
so you see Kwame ma me fa ade akitu abi mfa nka ho biem obeko sa kura ya see we na wo grade A school wo kuro mo no ono light wo heart any given time bi opeso osia de na say laptop no kra wo no opeso ko internet ko search bibia wo ho betumi akwa yi o but wo ko akura se ho no na se nyame dom no boa no kra no onya laptop kra light ni ho obe de power no na bia de ya kire no kra no Kwame ono akwa ko rehezi no ahwese say na niema sitie say na ti ko se be ade no betumi aka ne trim Kwame, we have a long way to go as a country.
Kwame, we make gancho say encourage no. Omukura no omumo on area of motivation no. Di obu di ukro bunya lo ba ko be teacher ni bi. Ti wo teacher ni na wa banche ni ade ama na o ye JHS ni teacher na wo school we bu. Kwame school ye da so.
Oh, asase na make. Ti akoda na ko school no kra no hu dan we kra.
O se wo je.
Bibi akra encourage me so.
And this is a teacher ni.
Ane.
Kwame na say wo pese akoda na be address it. But John Dramani Mama His Excellency can send back also a name de about the single spine. What was a single spine? A buy a babua teacher for a boa posy for an afe a sign a babua a nurses. Now once a buy and a Ghana dear back was a yaba ye money facelift bia. So yera Isaac goes Reverend Isaac goes or no a year chairman Edema a year ye can say. Eye nat no papa ne ka say emre dura enema bi o say His Excellency eye especially o pension teacher for pension pa Kwame o die bi mo pension pa wo kofia sika ye pagya mano na hwe teacher ni pa even security service for no bi advantage soldier for ni ade on that say asifem teacher ni wodu the highest rank kura no o lamsam na audi kofia no Kwame eno kura no obi anu ane dey do 500 Benu and do 500,000. And the other man who go fear, oh, got enough you all your years, all your life. Yakenya. Because 60 now go fee, and to be the 80 crowd or bear 20 years, to be the 70 or 10 years said that with him. And to what one term crowd, master will school mudia. Then now the headache. But again, check a crowd on a single spine.
Of organized labor raised it with us, and I told Comrade Joshua and his team that accept it, we'll negotiate with the new government. And so it took quite a while for the negotiations to take place. But eventually, we managed to get a spine that was working. It was not exactly straight, a bit crooked, but at least everybody got something, you know. And so we started paying the arrears and all that, and we managed to get through all that before we left office in 2016. Since then, a few things have happened. The spine is very crooked now, and everybody is unhappy. Everybody is unhappy with the spine. And so, of course, TUC raised it with us and asked if we could look at the whole salary structure again. And I can say that we're very willing to do that so that we're able to remunerate people better so that they can give off their best in terms of what we ask them to do. A few years ago, we did a new pension reform. Everybody was happy, tier 2, tier 3. It looks like the time has come for us to look at it again. And so again, TUC as the leader of organized labor, raised it with us. And I told Comrade Joshua and his team that we're prepared to put together a working team to look at the whole pension reform and come up with some suggestions and see how we can improve it so that everybody is happy and feels secure.
Okay, that was His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. And to him, Brad now or Vice President. Na yera Fifi Professor Atta Mills. President, may you so rest in peace. That time no, you implement a single spine. I also nya opportunity be take over mu kono mu hwesa aban foforo no obeba no. Ko be man another facelift. But unfortunately, omanhu de no mu peso mu hu no omanhu. Ti afia teacher for the aba beto omonim ti use for grade omadi kan wasem dada. Eti ya de so omu ba behwem. Because single spine no, why means not complete. Wa bra, nyoma bia wo se wo ye wonye ya. So that is the way forward for your teachers. Single spine structure is to see a facelift. Ni titi upaye pension. Yen teachers ne ko pensioner. Now ohwe said even private companies say back wa may be private insurance and I said private scheme. Emma pension scheme, emma these the workers. But I teacher for dia. Now why be a teacher dey free to now I can do was na so adwen na that's so. And it's not helping yen teachers and doesn't boost when you na kan hu. Now because the teacher name so go fi na the pension ya. Uncle for some kwada say omuntu a on nerium. Enya by force. E be voluntary. If they want to give, one be give you. But say you want to say it will not help us. Kwame.
I mean that's if now as if we are kopija about the asem kesi pa. And this is it. Ekamia is article 71 for no. When they are reviewing or mobibia who do be na Kwame with speed, with lots of efforts, with lots of protocols na here normal to media head your body no. One more day. But a bus civil servant, most especially teachers are ne kamia say womu ye enkwabi forgetting say the future of the Ghanaian economy, the future of Ghana rests on the soldiers or the shoulders of teachers. We have forgotten that. Say the future of our country rests on the shoulders of teachers. Kwame, safo yi ene research ahodo no ye research ni wie na esipigina ne nanso a yamana ba be ya de a ye de ba be kire nkoda anampo ye de ba be kire o man no ye de ba bo man no no man no atumi akoso. Kwame, I think it is high time we say because say a teacher from embassy ya na mama boto Kwame, you know say me a teacher ni na me tena say hunu sa niema ye wom at the end of the day struggles are become and sana what me ye bribidi ama ho. I just told myself said this profession cannot help me live well, so I have to leave that profession for another one. Kwame, this is a personal suggestion and a personal request. Na me say sempeni for not just say ebia omu raise a teacher for sika nemo pension sikana at the end of service to the country ye de mom no ye nya biribi mfa ho. Kwame senke betumi a anka womu ba be wia babia womu beda they should consider it because say pension no ba be kwa me sure say ya senate for who say sika no sododo ye tamama ni panel sododo tubo say near teteso and young one was so be to me for 30, 40, 50 years. No be call pension we na bosomi okoje kakra de atono ho a you say 500, 600, 700,000 e bi kra yunu adentia. I think Kwame sasem we the be here bre pa dan ke didi ho nkomo because a hard journey say anhwe yi a kyerɛkyerɛfo o kyerɛ bi to come no see a benyo omuso megina classroom achira de no Kwame ye bebre ebe yire papa ebe yire because ye kill your educational system nan kakra. People are losing interest in becoming teachers in teaching our kids, in teaching our children hope. Say, ye ba ne ya ba be kyerɛ wade am wo hunu say, we ni we na afa so a wabrabɔ no bɛkɔ yie, we ni we na afa so a obetumi agina bra ne adi yie. Kwame ehame me ya pa but me sure say bread foforo ebetumi awura me adi nkomo pa but de me sere ne say anka be ya komo be ko pensioner wo mu sika no wo mu mpa bi emfa baby mfa mo mo nkotena mu kama edan bi na nkoye say obewie na fe no oba be pre 60 years afi no oba be pre akosi dan
I think say the chairperson said omo odin bi de ama no say teacher baby dow or something maybe fi the name of the man say kebeya aban nanka yensisi adan ma teachers
yes affordable housing
is a core in the right direction.
How affordable housing
can it senate for crowd o mu sha say o say any wo senate building so ebu amoni ade
ba kwa me fa we so sa ekuoku ahodo na ewo teacher mu nat nagrad na nasefo no it is time e wo so mu ani koso say sika no mo titi free teacher for no mu at the end of the day no ye de beye bibi meaningful ni ehu say ekuo no mo join so won fa so
cash o mu ho
nat for no nagrad for no de be de be o mo fro mo no sika no mo titi teacher for de no mo de ye o meti ye de ntoma ba ye de book ba ye de pen ablo ye de we de ablo fa so be no
o so bia ye o de ete
what and America say every
but I don't pay Kingdom Herbal Center Sebra Kingdom Herbal de yenina ye nim say Kingdom Garlic Capsules and Bitters I don't pay anona edu akejinemu Kingdom Garlic Bitters no Garlic Capsules and Bitters no de tienie eye edra e build your immune system. Makacho say wa ho odin be gina so a immune no immune system no ebe gina ne ho so asojafo no ebe kan boma ya adwuma ene anopai unya Kingdom Garlic Capsules and Bitters na eno no mu a hypertension entimi stroke meso mu bua ya de no say adoso emubua ya de na adoso oda ma bo ho ban onim say the element of garlic eya de a ebo ni paduane pa na Kingdom for akunchire no de enhaban bia keka ho a onuma ebo wakoma ne ho ban cholesterol aba ni padua nim hwe cholesterol no wan hwe ya ebe ma stroke enti anopa ebo modin ase obenya Kingdom Garlic Capsules and Bitters sa enso na hia Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules ebe man de mo amatra mu nim dada menyaka Kingdom Ginseng onim de ginseng Ginseng Power Capsules anopa mi ncheche mbebiri kwada ofie but mema no say o sexual weakness we see na ya wo kra wa mental stress say onya mental stress adding pass obebo adwuma me so e produce sufficient physical energy otim say wo gina na so pa enkono maduro bia within short minute na fe be di wawu da bi we de enyaboche work the system enam ginseng na ewom no anopa bomodia ne pebi na release u semen no na afei emasi men intimi enkohia ovulus no na afei ekohia ovaries na intimi produce ema enfrim anopa unya Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules afei tremendous capsules anopa oyo ba na mesrew nyoma nkoya ahemfio ne de on se ma no makachem se moye mini god dida bosumi bia nyame ma nyoma fifiri baby ba but when nya himfie ni ya me so benya issues enti obabi wa be man ko mbe so be ya de no nya bibia because vaginal infections obo so abosumi so na ye issues e de amount me so unya tremendous capsules anopai e ma no atu agu so water pa because e ma no omunim ni de omunim pa anopai bo made akopiem wo visit adanse Kingdom Herbal Center odu ani chirem wo Kingdom Herbal Center wo kanshi drug lane sanso anako leading pharmaceutical shops ni nyina and herbal shops no obenya bi ewo ho Kingdom products no Kingdom Herbal Center ana ediaba na Kingdom products no ana ediwa kagina mu Mr. Fred 0597 298 855 0597 298 855 and 0559 761 144 0559 761 144 we a Kingdom Herbal Center adope bomodia na adope yensan enwram emfamawa Joabin Rural Bank eno ana mase say edwadie ni businesswomen any ajepa me so ya branches ahodo bebre ya ejoso from asua ya sepe ya Roman Hill ya Adesheman ya New Road ya Timatim oba abua so abehu yan bonre ya onwe sanse ya Joabin oba wa obehu yan branches ni nyina ho ema refi say the best rural bank in Ghana. Yes, 40 years of sustainable banking. Enya asem ketwa se bank betena sia na watimi age awards ahodo 40 years. Enya ize kwa menye ize. Hwa enya ize.
Banks no bebri no
masa oba betari obewai.
Omonye discipline omo lack focus no be si na agu.
Arope omo the system biaba asempa loan Kwame asempa loan na eboayen. Meso ebia o mazi onioma bedru upesika na afe ani atutu aka wonsam. Onya kwa wo de asempa loan na eno na eboa wo. Mo amoye wholesalers na amokofa ne maba no. Edu akajamu afe mo amotontoma odwomu a ko na ya ma asempa loan no. Ka ne hu se interested da so no e wo fomba. Enema enijeum afe ye wo oba pa loan na oba pa loan no ano na mani nyina de omani akere so oye oba na wudi edwabi mu association ma kuoku ayetete dwom no na mo pelon a mo ba ye de mamo na motimi edikodi mu dwapa be so kan na channel se ye wo various product a we customer bia oba ye unu ba bia do be she identity na wo bank with eye Joabin Rural Bank edo anase say boy your savings account, current account, fixed deposit, microfinance susu ye don ye shares open shares ato ye be ya pono dachi investment no eno de dachi investment no edin bo modia na ebra ne ye medi ensawoso bra atonsu dwomwa anewo high school junction ho na be huyen anope bo modia se obeba na oni Joabin Rural Bank PLC so edi ensawoso yankwa ahoma so yeni nkomo anopei na me catch us say galamse no senye esi koso in fact hadwin akono edruba bia na uzan senti na mos for do mutimi ana sambre ban enra de nyante se odu ahafoa de ekoso ho no anodin na ahafoa na quite remember say yekoye investigation kakra ho na nyame nko a nkofo no wiewie yen ye duru ho da ye kan ye this year ho se da gala bia ankoso barade esu kese na esu odi nyina eyiri bom no ahuna ye se ti no yankwa ahoma so na ye ne ora Ekins eni komo oye seasonal journalist adopai wa bomode akowura mu ho no ma wo ho de ekoso Mr. Ekins adopai ma che opanyin ma che na ebombo ko de good afi kometo yen menum se samre school fodi nyina so ho ye na arope de na si ewo eye ahafo ni titiu babia yehu sa video si a ebebe
Seki anape mama official pa on safi yenyen siai and I'm so happy seeing you on TV because many nyima wana mebo many ade papa ati mama wati fo nyina so ene wa hefo nyina so akin mama official pa Seki onim say me native of Adengo. That is where I was born and bred. Kruna nkasa din the pon work room, but ye guy name Adengo no. That's where I was born and bred. And fortunately for me sound so the son of the Odikru and an answer in the banami. And me sound so the spokesperson for pon work room association. And he Krono Krubi Adamakuma si pa. And Sena Naudi Kankano, maybe a chem, I think 2015-16 where thereabout. And sa illegal man activities here and Galamsino, a started a yes, I could na Yamiadum, ye try that time, ya was also radio Sintino. yene ma na fight ya na aja bibia kwada din ya kofem anya kura bete kofem because that time so ni say nti ya kofem but later part of the year I mean 2025 and I sense nya nti say illegal mining activities no asanso start ewo I mean turn off nti oba turn off a drop ban Techre, Sibri, so mankind, coachy, a bepim or a yarding a 1 month, sa activities near the bay, a coso. Na Seki, and Timianka Samiko, Christmas in Miko village. The Koena, a minion and TSA guarantee activities na sans as I said in ding. And Timia Miko is soon, Echo. That and soon and said they will show TV so no. But if free now Saturday, Sunday, Nibano, and I call me in soon I just in soon as I say cry. I soon would ye free, but in soon ye and ye. Now the woman said, you see, I'm no say, I didn't come on Canada, God, I'm saying in to be a honor. Lemon, Oko, Sarah, but yes, baby mankind. Mankind, and you cook it to be a frosty bristle. Edia eno so amakro popular school e ho no na China for no say China for no e de o can fine akwa kuchi nsu bi a friend Sibiri
China for mum
but China for say China for no to see e ku e friend Sibiri so a mo de can fine akwa kuchi nsu ne friend Sibiri no e so no mu tu e friend galam so mu tu go di no ho no na san su no so e de botano am kuchi eti chansu na asai o ma se no ai ben sai Sibiri so ena chansu na tnia na abebota no mu kuutwim e kuutwi na atnia stretch ya from kuutwi ababetwa mu adengu ene adu sunyata na so a ehu videos a wo show bi e wo TV so no ndiko ame ubisa asa na na asem na sitie
enti sa area na wo ka no to be specific aho ye wine territory DC ben
But one a canon of
okay and pious
a pious opoku MC I was time for them
na just the member of parliament Gideon Boako
never to another Gideon Boako
asemi ba ye mati bibia free DC na ahemfo ho
Kwame me that for this question Obekaya last year sa issue ba bontino MC ni deny it. That time I didn't a friend say, could you far offer the Anquanta now for Susan? If it could be at the Gemum. At the Gemum, I want to a captain for no one. A woman again start here. Oh, but your boss on your big picture the Bible and Gina or cut it on winning more way. But when you see, I didn't have a question say, MC, a honorable person for Kukas winning more way, I know what. Now on Saturday, enemy man is commander now war canon of no Ade Akye. Onwa ko Sibiri so honum. Any friend so mo tu friend say garancy na mo too good no. As a kwose so kwachi omo so ko dey I was told say omo dwane. And I was informed say MC na ne soman say bibi say ekoso. Enti onko. The Kwame me no can say Saturday enimere. Na when Kwame, you may say anajo na China for any year, Juman, and your daytime. I'm quite anajo. And I was even informed to say there is a guy on who to Bruce one young so and I didn't see a conyason chair. I will know, yes, you man, illegal man, Garam say Juman Kwan away. And to only a shot say, oh, Sibris one man. Almost say you sooner, a Sibris sooner, and you sooner about a botanuma. Kwame, do you know, say, me no ka se obatano so obabi sima ya topa mu honom because tano isuo no eno na a friend say Ghana waterfall eswane so eno na mo dia supply a friend say bisim ni tano so eno ni environment mina e free Sunday no ma topa mu awo sinyane ni a friend say bisim ni tano so a untimi ni so udi so ni afie nyi a me no ka se MC e ya we MP e ya we se bibi se ekoso yen se de hu ana mo papa bi ya mo de mo tu apa ho e na ye no ma ye wo eye adenwu nti adenwu no fortunately for adenwu no mo bo ho no but adenwu ni kura nketwa na ben tanu nsu no mo di bibia the Omodanum, Ombe Diani, Ombisi, a Tanusu now. And I sounds so queer for Omoye queer. I'm being soon Kakra, I would commit a friend at time I could say soon be good woman not by any so. Come and as half winning, no not by any necessary because wouldn't soon be good, will not by a swat. I poison, I say, soon I say. I wouldn't soon near free, wouldn't soon near free, I can't ye. Wouldn't soon near free, and ye, on a boy, I wear and be there also. Yen said that we need Papa Pabia. And I said you in class for Nebren.
Na say Chinese for omo de omo nim kuro so enti e ba ne say no mbe pie ho
enti question ayi bi sam ahemfo na Kwame yi bi so mo ahemfo hina o wo tibiri so oni da e fen ko so hene no e ba ne said go omo ya we say sa je ni ko su kuro ni en Kwame ye sen ka ye kra e be ko sa to no mutu garamsi no Kwame u do ye listen se ke be butu akun because senior ya said they you be more guide where you to garano we intentionally now making mistakes ya so for my hand abutu.
All right, anapay ma ya na ase ya nso ya de ani bedi akire medem so nso gu so a monitor nyoma ya be rewrem na ngoso hene no ne wono keka ho no anapay ya try say benya pious but unfortunately I'm so responding to the call no free nra ye gu so anso ehwese benya no on the member of parliament nya anapay me na ase moni adwuma. All right, so Ekins Asare na anapay from Ahafo Adongo and now what they say okasa in fact na most for adwuma ye na most for no mu adwuma ye na etobia me dwen their modus operandi ya kwan yo mu fa so yo adwuma na the structure is such that they can only be at a place ombetima babia ye bi at a particular time and tinya babia do ombetima wo at any given time bia and now ombetima wa hafu omo hafu no na in Ashanti region baby na ye tu gala no omo ba Ashanti region na omachi omasa akosi omachi wo hafu ho omo free wa no omo so other places and I don't know how adwuma way ebe I think say I say team no any ministry ni tenase na ye develop another structure. The numbers are doing well. I must recommend what they are doing. But because say onsa so said they go so nyankopon ani kata. I think that it should be regional based thing. And it's a 4 infantry battalion na ye use omu a. And when say your segment to omu we mu ha 3 infantry we mu ha na ya form team no and we were region we were as adia masa ya crocro the John sem ne ye no and sika abanye twa ye de ko me na me ha me bleed wo hu no John Dramani Mahama His Excellency sika through Ministry of Finance ya boss to say ye de call the fight against Galamsey. Now so you guys know very well say at least what say mo say mo free ha mo dru had mako fight ya ma hihye nyoma ba mo free onu ne nkofo asa abisi mo chi enti kwasi kodon kodo ogina kwanti asem ne ye and ne yakwa baby yakotwa be TV so as if say we are doing something knowing very well say ade na ye no cosmetic ade na ye doesn't have any lasting solution. I think there is high time ministry ni team no atenasi na ya update upgrade ye na ya pe new avenue ay betim dia fighters akun as ada Kwame ya bebre o ya bebre and it is serious one videos no I think say we fresh ones cry ya hu a lot of videos are almost saying so but we fresh cry and there ma hu dwane hu gidi ni say areas they are not noted for Galamsey. These are fresh areas why me hu sa anyoma look at the full place okay say we said it but I never be abadu Galamsey
Kwame Kwame, media debia me can see say I am not sure say from our heart we are really fighting Galamsey, because as a ensure ni path be a clear path be a yes solid, a yes strategic, a yes absolute in resolving this Galamsey menasa and a year. There's no commitment, there's no sacrifice, there's no compromise as a country here fighting Galamsey. The etoda na ebi mo ka say Galamsey ne kono edia. The questions that comes to mind is say edin say ye nim wo mu omutu. Edin say wo mu omutu no ye nim wo bo financiers ana. Edin say ensuo na wo mo essay no ye nim se ebeku ye dachi. And so we must have all cause and reasons to be firm as a country. Ni akotia sa okuya na. Nti Eden say yen sase yes no, because this insase ena ye kwa planting niema wom na fifi efifia ye di. Nti ye yuefi say insase no so ye poison no. So wachina ye duade ne ekoti ne edi a ebenya nsunsuanso wo ye nso ana. Ye nsanso nim say light a ye demu enne. Ensu ahudo yi eneboa air power plants no. Wabra as a country we've not been able to come out say ye devise a new strategy to generate energy for ourselves, and so we rely on sansuo we near they generate energy for ourselves. Until so ne say ya what say ye ni ko I didn't say ye betumi stop this idea na. I believe strongly, Kwame strongly say we are not ready. And we've not even set a path for ourselves, say ye fighting Galamsey. Because they are setting a path for ourselves and this time ye. Because this Galamsey is a war on us. Those doing it, they are terrorists. One more muye Galamsey, no more terrorist. And see, also be 24-hour economy, also agribusiness and the sewer ni so awori ba be dijuma. And all the basics, the fundamentals never wow. Now 24-hour economy na tumi agina na so no Kwame, you are destroying all of them. All of them are being destroyed. What wo share said they are destroying all of them. Now what agribusiness now also obey the same Kwame. How are you going to do it?
The funny thing is,
how are you going to do it?
Those lands are Galamsey was so pain. O reclaim land in a crack Kwame. It will take you years. And sana what dria bibia wo so a ade na ye safe to eat. And sana ade na ye safe for you to consume. And those areas omuchi say ye reclaim land no ye mass asena babiem ya fele isa house ni nyina ya manaba baby omudua plantain bodie bia no eba market from the Food and Drugs Authority. Omu ye research. And we say it is not safe for consumption.
Yes. And what now Kwame me so say breba e be kwa kwhwe but bia me focus was see ade say name was no wo mo nim wo adwuma o mo ye de wo mo nim wo adwuma o mo ye de because Kwame say wo so wo free ha now ko ebisa besi wachi a then ask yourself what are some of the tracking machines na nasefo a wo put in places o kwa no obi besi wachi a wo betumi ahusu obi abesi wachi. And Sabia na wakwa wie no what they read ayidi ato wonti so obi sa besi wachi say cream now onya na wochi na on dey say there's no excuse just nipa no dey wotumi say or man no person obono or your man tamfo you take the person on straightforward. But I come here say ye nyanko ni atwamu ayasa ye ni any tracking ayibia ye di ba behwe yachi ahu say yachi te sen because Kwame yi utu anamo no na wani no untumi mfa hwe wachi na woso po bi obehwe wachi di ama adwuma ye Kwame mpanifo hwe yachi baby ayafom no they will call us to out order they will teach us say and nanka mo de fase ye next time move fast enti one more fight galamsey ni mpenifo no nti one ni tracking a gibi a ekire say e ha mo akọ but still a that so exist nipa we safo no mo kochi omo akwan we na mo faso ana. We are not serious. I think we are not serious. And I think say President John Dramani Mahama, I believe in your vision. But when it comes to galamsey issues for now, I think unye ready so be fight it because the John Mahama I know, His Excellency, no so sinable so ya dia. It's not the John Mahama I know when it comes to galamsey fight. And the effect on galamsey the effect on the economy, we can all see how the city is doing better, how the economy is picking up. To me, on any day, strongly I would say, Onyanye serious. Now, say the 24-hour economy, no so perceive Jinan and Aswa, on Chassis, no serious, no matter focus.
Some are ready. Me perceive a tier minister, Bano Kofibua. Emra Omu dying, you can't say. Blue water gas for no Eddie actually Ghana for these people are being paid by taxpayers man. Am I not great uncle for year pass them out
so you are paying
and
them.
Some more kind to me I'm can say man rock of Fibua as a minister of lands and natural resource me who ye I'm telling you the honest truth oba kasa ne doso John Jina Poshas ye me catch as a John jeje kasa ne doso energy nya kasa. Now setting up, you won't say, oh yeah, Juma.
Yes.
Kofi Boy needs to sit up. Let's tell him the truth. Say galamsey kuna oyen. Enyakas. What we are wasting our money. I'm telling you, you're wasting your money. Blue gas if we did you hear what he said.
State that so far we have trained roughly 1,700 blue water guards across almost 7 regions. And we believe we are on the right course. And we are very proud of those pioneers who started the work. They are in their way of the galamseyers, and they are making their lives so uncomfortable. We know that you are going to the Ashanti region, you are going to the Central region, you are going to the Eastern region, working closely with the Ghana Navy, the NEMOS and the police service to give them hell. We will stand and fight until we turn our waters blue. Blue water guards! Blue water guards! State.
So that is it. From day one, I mean, who I'm saying, so what shall boss? O boss and near better so fighting against galamsey. Budget awami aye to fight against galamsey. And you as a sector minister, a minister who is part of cabinet, a minister who all this experience. But unfortunately, I don't think say a lasting solution. Let me be honest. I don't think we are going to get a lasting solution. So blue water gassy, I want minister to give accountability. Let him be accountable on my account on what they have done so far. Because it's good to create opportunity to create jobs. But job ebeba yenya value for money. The taxpayer coughing out money as he can baby ekono. Yenya for so. It is a worry to all of us. Excellency John Dramani Mahama, you are doing so well, but the ministry dear according to almost the also almost yes idea about Tibrekas and Ebekam. For now, we are not seeing any impact, meaningful impact. Make a meaningful impact at Makwa Galamsey site at the point in time. So I know what I'm saying. I remember making videos so no ya called baby or crack and TV because of free moto. Now so ya will cancel by go do Yamenkwa. And then of your vision to fight against this. Now you your ma ya say yeah, how can you have a team ni move to another region Omufiri ani esi omachi. There should be a meaningful impact. There should be something tangible for us. That is all that we are asking for. And then idea yebusa. And I know say I didn't say a be fight here. A kune ding. Obi obeka cho say galamsey kono mene no boa. A kune ye ding because oko grounds, oko fielder. Na ne operators ni dim koma. Then you understand say idea no enye bete. But we can get it if we really want to. Not this cosmetics. Not this cosmetics that we are seeing. Anapay ma yansha se na eni nkomo abejafo abe kanyensa na yansha se eni nkomo enso ewo hanom na messages no enkoso emra ewo Facebook Sompa TV Udru Odma wo the message no ma mo hwe no the messages no eba ye be akenkan enso the amount anapay ora Frank Frederick Dankwa Oba Ashanti Region is a communication team member for the New Patriotic Party MPP anopay era atnase na ye hwe nim se honorable Esedu Keteke enso ebekan ye ho na onso agina mu dia the National Democratic Congress say anopay ma chen na empom to say
Ade Akye so so ye pa
yakopon de Akye ye so ho ye pa
nobody ase
efie boko de
radio hu nyina ye mobo amen for fidi kesi na ya shafi asidi ma ebusuafo nyina afihia pasron kokwan so na ya sere se Ade nkoso ani adom no mo ye ho ban on fa yan konsan fa yamra sum bi na minche da gutu for utafo constituency ehona me butu di me nkui kakra ntimi bana manche o mo saade na chesenye ntimi chi atafofo nyina ntitiri we ye me boss we for society tu ana do di man bidie ye Dr. Matupoku Prempas asusu nya me ketwa ono so me chi ano pa na mama na fishia pasron kokwan so ene ya mama Samira baomia batafo obishia ye party for ti se obedun so amame nso ma na kwaba na ma chia ni wura ye Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Baumi anso on da number 3 yakoso akai omo mutu ahene ye si ahene fo no se omo nka so da number 3 na ye nto aba no fama no ti kwanta man fa no sia
ba me ma honorable so akwa honorable maachi official panso afin committee da bibia aboko de good party mu boko di actually di mo de mo pay flag bearer di actually di bibiani ho good aba bisa da kwa so sere mo de actually di odo de actually di sa actually di no Arabay yamma kwa bana yamma fisha pen eni nkomo enso ho aban yi ba me sha asem free honorable so His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Ade will state emphatically said the fight against galamsey on Feniagro recently ye hu say na mo so ye tie in fact obe hu omu kokro we no ma ko destroy nyoma na omu movie said nyoma nyina betimi atoto yi but wa na saba. And it looks like the percentage omu fight no omu nyanu babia. The recent budgeter Minister Ridino they are pushing a yes sika ye pese di ragalam say people were debating say it's huge. Now omu ma yet ya say a kono even demand expect by say in here more than that. A kon against galamsey ya kan afedru baby kura na manfo abre say galamsey go for abre wo ho. But I was a kon ne kon. Is your government ready? Namos for Numa Omudi. Do you think say it's enough to fight against our galamsey queen?
Omo aye wo chirichiri ni benche ye nyina nso afinhia pa. Minu asa ubusa ya ne kwanso anu. Ade bia je entre ha ne yeye no ya na din kakra ekoye se gise yinya abotare ade ne ntimi nkoda krope nkakra na ya ben yi ba ya ye ne ayewura John Dramani Mahama o share bo se obetu ase ne ye hu se so far so good na months for abo mu homodin bia kama na wo mu nja ekon no so ko a ebekoso akọ akiri kakra ba yenim se eko no nyina ne so te se so ate so far meka to se so ate pass ne kane no a ya na obia timi bowura forest mu na oye galamsey enesa law no am say ya repeal ti na obi ntimi nwura forest mu se wo kwa akoye galamsey so wo hwe pass se kakra aka ye wo mu aye tinsuo so ene wo mu ade wo mu pe wura esenkrofo koko di wura mu eye ba se forest pa de ebeka bia kakra bi but still the fight is continuous ye nyaye mi de minim say so far say de mi di ka so good abana ye bi na ogusu anso ye na minim say ebetimi atu ase na challenges ne de wo ye de ya ebeba ya ye nipa ne de opam wo mu na behwe na bi so abesi akiri ye chi wo mu ne ma na obi so de foforo oba na obi so kotobi e de be start ba bi because obi ehunu say ho sika wo ho say ya anyere ho nso a anya ebe ti say Colombia for ne cocaine be ka krom kro na be determine de also di president o mu na be determine bibia de amaye wo man mu enti aba we meka say yewura wa bomode on 2 years na menyi ni say I mean de ekobia betimi abu na bem wakase obetu ase na enuru ni mfie na ne de na minim say obi ba kokora ni ho na illegal mining proper ene wo ho
but
responsible one
looking at a year proud to election and come on namu die say Drew baby cry some of your party people ekase galamsey no is being done by MPP gurus of course a bidding be buy people expecting say man buying but they say MPP for there it should be easy for man buying some betu ase are you disappointed wa be mabu say NDC ni some am kan ye any baby okunya bedu
yeah say dem di ka kan me say meka say so far so good ye tu ase ya no ade na asaya wie ade bi asaya
ye ntu ya no
utie me say ye tu ase ya no ade bi say ya ne ye no nya dakro
of course
ubetimi de dakro pa say ade ba wo ka say wo say ya yes e kakra enti say de ye wura no wa start with a very good note ogusu aya wo fight ene wa wudi adanse say forest mu de galamsey no minimize pa yes ena ehonu say ensuo no so efa taking the source from the forest two forest for na say the tie bia ensuo aye ka say adane mpampa tin ni wan ni ade ni nyina no ebejai nti ye say forest de wa wudi adanse say minimize tinsuo no abehili no ho yes no abehili no ho
okay besa ba but mamema radankwa so yenhwe allied the controversial allied 2462 December ya near repeal with 2501 still yehu say activities koso water bodies because this allied was emphatically on forest and water bodies. People were thinking say once we repeal the law yebenya way to fight against water bodies and forest they said in our can we've seen some improvement but in so there they say cost at a higher rate so all starts about bontina and so comparatively yes this time round you only said number no increase. Do you think sir Abain is ready to fight galamsey said yeah okay
Kwanta bigidi ye pasa no people ankasa videos bia na uyi no now you're so much disappointed. And NDC and Ura Mahama are fully Ghana for. Because look, we are talking about Ubia or position. No catcher the certain president say, don't take a responsibility to fight galamsey manis. Now, ono die, Mrantene mabana yachi onmagu afiase enam se omo ye galamsey no. Ono die obo be mo amnesty, obe jawo. No mun enyom na ye real campings. That's not okay. And no more ba abamu afi. Rakin pension says ya chomiana. nipa na omo say ya sesa wo mo ya che omo ya che bibisa omo na the rare campaigns no. If they are the rare campaigns, they will send Kabana Galamsey a trap. Because politics at the Galamsey or my move. Prior to 2024 elections. To me, to me, Sudbia Kase, you declare state of emergency. No be crowd, and this is some mobile Bema, what did now watch your pet? But Galamsey. Then I feel able to tell Marade, and you repeal law, no, and then you might form, and then about form. Kosubri so o report na okan fa ho subri so twabi di bosu ka sekra kosanyam ba kire konye kohe forest na won kohe se yaye no batani e ka se Galamsey ntokwa no enya de na wosankede ya amanyose fi se yenso na ese ye no ba ye se ye duane nyina kofom mpo nuano mate se report bi se nuane bi kro ho a jama chemicals bi wo bodie bi munumuni ade a ene kra nye good for our health. Oshe nipa yare ahodo a back kidney problems money ade e question na chese ni kwasa nkede amanyosem kra na so enya nkrofo de amanyosem o man mu ye betena afa ne be kan foforo
nti eno so mo de be ya amanyosem
I was here de ya amanyosem because amanyofo na so ye bi adanu o man kasa national organizer Joseph Yamin o say criminals na mo tata o munya na o mo na high abronsan ade ma emi ade quality resort awa Ashanti region. Did I just say, on one Cassanaye? Ah, na no person, yes, and another na ye, Ramama, Yakason, I know Yetiana. O could you tell me what hang? Some George Mo hang. Marantiana no Mutimako send so be sit table so. I did Chilagana force away, Tunnel River. I put or say, way and Cobra. And where are those people? Enti kana sana mo ye dede wa chire no na kam jiri se ko mba ye na kade no betwa se ten eso no mo na take over. Government of Ghana budget to ye sika o yiye 150 million Ghana cedis fan koku Galamsey 150 million no ibisa se sika no e kwa na se nkoi because government of Ghana anu ankasa ne budget o ye in 2025 no says can be bre na nko meti se na wo ka sa omo 133 formula 24 economy omo kan sen omo kan se adwuma baako nipa miensa wonbekomu miensa ene yensuo no a ese no mo ne ade ne sika no aban twa so de koye se adwuma no se sika no otumi de koy afi de abana sambe dane na no o se de private men e ba be sa 24 economy na ba bio it is 150 million no ye bisa se sika na ba na release sen because any kwanse e kasa 9 months of adwuma mo ye no wo mo ko ha na omo mfiru ho no msanko ba bi foforo e wo se ye tu se ye se atwa sika pa dia e wo se wo mo koso agina ho e hwe se sa Galamsey no maba betu afiru ho no ye ye afiru ho aza na mo aba mu afedi omo na kofom na ba fom na kufu adu ti akunya so na musini kon so se on declare state of emergency and na sa so Ghana fa hen entino yanyina aya Ghana vo na nyina nimsem sa nya ne nyina ne de ya amanyosem na ka sa osi dua mu mokokuo na nim se wo afuom na e ba beto ye kono ena de osi mo se Galamsey na asai pa mo se asai pa na ade na asai pa dia na wo ye den na mutumi gina ho simpie so ka kire Ghana fo se mo ba mo de na wotwe pebe solve no. You have all the resources, you have all the monies, you have all the security apparatus behind you. Why have you not been able to solve this Galamsey madness?
But yet to mean discredit a bang say or buy on your, of course. Said your kind of said they have been moving from side to side.
Nkwanta, maybe South say, what different have they been able to do? Ma soldier for you call Ibina, and you know Ibina Kufa happens ye. Yan chichi excavators near Kufa happens, and you know Ibina we. So what different thing are they doing? What different thing are they doing? They are doing the same thing. I'm watching Grofani, a junk grofo machine near Shino, near Jahoni. And you know, no more. So what different than have they done? They've done nothing. Paddy and someone named Grofo way can. And I want him almost to me and Sovo Galamsey because me who said 2020. So small scale miners in Galamsey we. I did GC couple mu topics.
Any allegation.
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 What's the allegation?
Now you all can small scale back and Galamsey for. Galamsey for no a DNA identifies these are Galamsey. Our magic scale topic. No, you can't substantiate. You cannot substantiate it.
I want to tell you, why Ghana Web report here. But see, small scale miners gift 1,200 pickups to Mahama for NDC.
And I'm saying small scale miners, fine. Omudi said they are under an umbrella. We can identify. And mind you, small scale is not. Small scale is illegal.
But I say, wouldn't leader no? Wouldn't leader no? Would you when I toss our cars in the Dema Uramahamano? And to Moba Mubaya Juma. No matter Omoka.
And I'm saying small scale, they're saying illegal.
I'm
saying different from small scale. No, but your situation as it is. Your situation as it is.
Your candidate, your hookwa. I don't know na Marantie report say encophobia statistic free or more minus in ho.
Yeah.
Na sankrofoni nyina ye NDC for mpanimfo no what has happened to them? Joseph Yami no no a ye report wo say they are involved in Galamsey no what has happened to them? Their minister no be gina abonten be ka ye no what has happened to them? Eti mo akọ gije omusika wo kura ya akọ hye wo no bo aka kire o mo se wo de wo ba anya mpanimfo na nkasa de omu ti dem eti mo ba mo de mo ba chi sa mpanimfo no na mo gya nkola no na mo gya nkola na kom do mo ntom san ko hen ana ma sa ko gu ho no ana wo sa ko gu ho no o kana o ka dua ya nkwanta tana north afa ho nyina eti yesi ehunu ya na menia Fakra road. Wouldn't a crowd road track on Konongo, even Konongo town.
Yeah.
People are doing Galamsey there. And yes, and that is the politics now. Anything you to me, Cosadiano. Saying, I didn't say, now don't go for the Casimir, young come young Galamsey, and yes, sir, about the share corner. San come to me, boy, I'm yen in Akokoya, and can you say some young feet? I catch you, say, assuming high, and to me come on Galamsey. And they were clapping for him. So I had here, and then today you are calling upon all Ghanaians to come and help you to fight Galamsey.
No, I can say this is the Yaman.
So
it should be national issue.
Yes, when we're saying that the thing is supposed to be a national issue, these people also saying said there be a Kufuor should take responsibility.
Once he's a leader, because so
the president now, Ura Mahama, should also take responsibility.
And who is on taking responsibility?
And why would you complain?
No, but of course, you know, make us into me and say Onyeshi.
Say Banchinya, Ijanechire.
Mate. But how about so now? I mean, Raha. The NDC seems complacent when it comes to the 2028 general election. However, it's likely to shock them to the marrow if they fail to conduct a critical analysis. Now, what happens if President Mahama exits? The MPP takes advantage. Greetings to Chairman Odeno Kwaku Kuka and Honorable Eric Nana Ajimai Prempe, MP for Ahafo North. We every teacher Kojo Tepa and and this is Susu, and this is Robert Senyo Yaodo. Says Sompa Morning Show. Thumbs up. Okay. Noah the Ark Builder inside Kokomlemle Fanofa Street. It's my prayer that may our Presbyterian God bless and lead Dr. Brian Champon to the promised land, for him to liberate us from the hardship we are going through as a country. All right, honorable. So, a quick one on my name is Rebata. Then we move to President Mahama Akan Simbi. In fact, on teachers, yeah, abuse currently. A classical example is a teacher or a mathematics teacher. Na enkwadano to him omama nkwada na amapo enti yem pon ya na nyom ko chi teacher say de ye bebo pa omo teacher din ya fe ko police station go hwe ase se o oma be kofi say de onim na proper African Ghanaian culture oma be yi asem ni kofi but president said the law should have taken its course at least o say den kwada ne fa the system nim say be obi we chon ka say o obona papa betua. And 2, he talks about the single spine and then pension for teachers going forward as a country.
Yo, and sana meka teacher for no edie no. Minu ya sema woke kan say galamsey ye ne yama no aye kakra na say ye ne yama na gentre ha no. Ya na ne yure free. Say ye pesika dia hwe party no. Sa wo mo asema wo mo am kan mrekuduka. O see 2020 election kakra bi cause omu lusu mining towns ni nyina anti galamsey de yetwamu a enye omu de omu nsako kan wo omu no samo wira free a mo na mu bie no achi na mu be ma mo be share mra say yetimi wura forest mu koye galamsey nipa na wura forest mu so ma musa say wo mu aye wura mu no yekura paper na aye nkura paper mo na mo say no ye ba ye ni nyina ye sisi ano still mu guso ye politics I say ntini ye se mi enfanye politics ni enfanye den hwan ni ye blame no ya na wo ko kaka the sami jamfi ni wan anum kan mama ade na say awie na na do aye blame you
say hold you accountable because what can they say so
solution ya ba na say yes solve problem no problem be ho solution no nya one day
o kai o de o kan and
no dey o be kai but dey wan say ye tu anamo praise ye baby a ya ye due for praise
as say won say fan dey say please ma in galamsey fight because obviously no pay screen once the kwa na it's not different from na MPP aban
like you said Ghana for suban kwese bi hihye ntare so mu ye namos for ekogye nkrofo ska enso mi wa na enye wo mo a enti said ya kana akoye yesu obi ehunu se sika wo mu no wotwe wo ho a na ono bi so aba abehye ho eno nkire se ye jai so ye gusu namos for be koso a kire nkrofo ye gusu abeye by the time say me 4 years no so no
akoye ehunu se mbetima ko
enye ko a ya do enye ko ketwa but enye de no so mayen ekon ne yehunu se enye ko ketwa na emom enye ade a yen edene so mayen unlike wo mu na ya wo mu twi wo mu ne no quickly ma memra a teacher for de no so masa Ghana eya beye yesu ban mi senke yebetimi a enka every 3 months bia quarterly bia no yen school obia yen fe obia yen obia can say orientation courses kakra emma even professionals look at enura de see hwe firemen akochi media man odi ade no omu helmet odi back one tirimu ti sese bi ase onye nipa
ompia babonde so maamu no
o na screen no etwa ade ne kire se de minu ye ka se ye beto nsuye beto
so well hu
edu nyina ye hu ye watcha na sia go de mi hwe bi okay mi hwe bi
I see
and ye ni anka se even professionals ye di for won yema bebre hu uko police station I was here my bail no pray lackadaisical attitude that one when him say 48 hours I was where the a compelling say also man nipa no bail and so be ya be kura na atra me new investigation me nye say ensem bebre ti nyina ti mama yewura president obebre resetting of Ghana no nipa no mindset no won say no a edin na ma membra enkwala ideas etoda ye ne pampa enkwala efrifie esa ko school mu awufu bebre pampa ye manual to the sense sebi kafrache ene de ba na no odino nkwanta ene de ba na no odine se kane no awutimi chi obi ba bono no ene wo ba na buru obi ba wona awo no
say mo akora
school kura ye muro school ye muro enti sa
ani an ko school ani am atomfia ba leze enio
and again free education pa eno de na nado eno nko de da bia meka pa na enso so esa wo the other side bi akola bia watifie wasura wi aka kafrache enye school nko na sabi titi nipa o minim krofo bebre ne wo manya ye ho a nye obi okra wansi school dem da enso so free no ba ye no wo bibiara minim girl bi na be ne no wo kasitie ho ba bi no a wo be 3 o si free oh no okobi ye hunu de ekokosi ye papa we be de wono wo ye ma me da
basic no
oh ma untie wono abo ne brother danti wuti chene no bi kra wo ne bra wa bo onya yi oh mi baby ko kira de enso wo erikopoku side wo baby me wura firi kuro no
there's a half obe
half side enkwala no so o manyinyini okoka na obebo ento no wose obe wose da me de enkwala no mu ya bia me de me mfi wo mo me nka de wa wo bia na wa wo de enso kanya sa na teacher ye oh enti toda obra na ye ne aye bo no eno na ye but president waka ne ye ye mamra no enye adwuma opuru obi a asọtọ a ye njao say ya settle no ofie na bia teacher no akwaji compensation fia bi no agya manaka no ye mamra no nye adwuma abrochira ye ka no ya obi a peso ko onye biribia o eye mra ye adwuma nti ba wo beduru ye ha mra nye adwuma na nabi no de ne mpaboa no de ho anwan yes me wo ye boni a wo de yemfa ho fa mra no amu yes dinkwala no teacher na kwaji sika o so anyi sika o ehumo bro tena nabi na bebu nkotodwo emra de de mra prosifo nkwakire nkwala no kan ye ko school o fom teacher yetimi suspend from school yetimi sack from school yetimi ma punishment bi akotu
esre
bibisa
ana edua
bi kura wutu amna ye behwie ball egu dia ma school etimi de yemfa I mean stiffer punishment bi emma nkwala no no omu fence another for no emulate ana omu fence ade ewom yes omu nsua bibi mfirim na china bi na akwala bi so ansa nkwanko ye bi onim se me na mon teacher bi akwala bi di apaso awo nani ama na nani hunu ade o se wonu ho kura so wo ye teacher ada o kasa na misu ema no cause me wo ma ye teacher for o se manu me ho se me be ye teacher enen kwala bone na doso kwala bi o american tramo oko school so ono tramo bebre oko school ono wi enso obi ntimi mo ne chem so ti mesre mo awofo no mfantu wo momafo obi antete ne maye aban so se ba nanano munyimani aban so nya na fam de o se mra no fa no yesre ewura IGP o ma mra no nya adwuma yenkoye ne ya ne yi kofie bia
mame na ase na anope WhatsApp line no obetimi de
kan ba ko bi kan me pacho
nkwa single spine but mame now so me number any pension scheme no mame now so WhatsApp line no for message no for 050 9438 500 0509 438 500 0509 438 500 my WhatsApp name for hona yam kenkan o message no enyina emro so honorable yemwe with pension scheme no yenim said some years ago mo na mo implemented that was Fifi Mills is may so rest in peace. Now the framework started from President Kufuor time after 2010 and implementation by I think a free ho yenyan major facelift bia when it comes to more pension teacher for are worried about their pension. President I promise you in a way say betna say they will look at it now for pension among the teachers for first.
Well, single spine
single spine and pension. Okay.
Single spine kaye me dey say me ye pension ni anti minim ametome anti mi nhunu mu ye papa ba dey me kan say yesene captain no a
okay
baby eno ye baby mi sa na mi hunu eye but e to da baby a me wo problem ye ni tua obeka no akoye aban no na ye kan say ahoodene na wo se wodi tua no na onya na fe labor agitations no money are strikes so many things and this aban so obeya but on hwemu ye na wo hu se owo e kan say enough funds or the betimi asset na worker bi is satisfied dwuma ye ni san kan ni sika eso na ni eso ni dia onya adwuma yi dwuma ye ni bia Ghana ha si ye kan me the single spine kran kanye civil servants ni public servants nko a enka obi biara wo ye obi private sector ni nyina ye mfa ngura ho obi anjibi because Ghana for ya ketua enye employers no sisi employees but boss obey adwuma bosome no so anu akọ unim se ebinim ha ebinim da so gi 600 a month
say minimum wage ni se ne ejina ne de sa na beba because our minimum wage in Ukraine are issues.
That's right.
To be honest.
And yet, enti uba ya hase ya ubedru ya nko ya corruption here and there na I thought that's what they yan say wo mo ye ketua no so no kura so na ye ne kase o na
of course
yes enti na make say ye nyina ye hia say school ye nyina o say aban ne penkrofobia bi om de ye nyina be fantete ye foforo mu kura enkromo start say abre na minua minim say okay minim that time okay na ye ko school no ye wo nya hygiene ye wa yi bia na ye kire ye wo school mi yura fi kakra na ma ye hu say oh we ade we ya wo ye mfomso wo ye we ya wo ye mfomso even kura no wo de yon pani abai no e kire yen say wo ma me kura ye boni a utibi ko report no ye nuanom na ante ase o wo nananom na ante ase wo mu se nkroma ba mi abesan la abeto onu misaran kwankrofo na busuafo na we oh na this time man ba eno na brofo no de atete wo ma yi no yeah okwa Singapore we chingon kura to form akwala let me a report to my police chief but yeah obi na mo enu a represent na pio oto ne ne ya say tie mu ne ade enye no enti civil education no e wo say e koso all the time yes eno obekwa kura sa NCC fo ikura wo say wo mu kire ne ma ne ade ye budget ya wo mu kura de ne kitwe bi enti mi nya hwi ma wo mu no na meka say ne ya man te na anu agidini bebre because ye minister anka me be kan say ye sector minister no on starting page no ho no okay sankro for na omo yes shows no omo agidini pa ya no obi a no odimirika no odwane de ne complain ko me wa no social welfare for o say ko tumirika ko but enam say hono ya
so it tells you the system is not giving results
yes and this say wa single span ye wura so obe ya yes say man panyin no finance from no
all right well, thank you mamere Radankwa no yes
on say Ram Hama on ope asem fashe pa se utie ni speech na omana o say omampanin kufo kra yes anhye nto ye no wo ye no outrageous na ayaka kraka wo mo bae na wo ne labor for be negotiate yansa na wo implement it. When Professor Mills died 24 July 2012 you took over as president, caretaker president. You became substantive president from 2012 to 2016. First slave to no sign or the count. Look, ono crowd only a teacher for credit nini. Yes. When him say President Kufuor time, any Professor Mills time. Not teacher for policy be a friend of tax waiver. Now to me cracker.
Yeah.
Engine capacity near 1.8. Work in free. Or Ramahama betray.
I think one more similar benefits were doctors too.
Yes, nurse and doctors in your movie. And what cancel Sanya Manina? And think of buy you so be my first lifty. Nan kwasa at the police no more came was at the aba. On one can teacher for no so market yanyano. On one buy on Obama a teacher for 9% too. But in the various ministries, in the department and agencies, no, you increase their salary more than a big crowd here, 50%, 60%. And the MMDC is here come see me. On salary, now 5,000. Now go for the free now 5,000. Oh, but that's also I want 35. 350.
Yeah.
What you say? Ah, says he can. Oh, I want behind the what page fool. Now come be teacher that
yeah.
Teacher that Ora Mahama, I think 7th February 2025 yeah. 27 February. Almost the State of the Nation's address. I no can say. Obama teacher for be a friend teacher that teacher ni bia who set say obeko you can say
remote areas.
You be more 20% of your gross salary. Nya dia account ho. Ni essence see a dying dia man teacher for me ma buy a mistake ni bi. And I don't expect anything me say no me say Ram Hama na kan wasem ya na because oba shabo no so nyo
mistake amoya mo so mo share bomanyo.
Oh yeah, definitely so. Me I agree perfecto. Even at all me now me fighting all the teacher associations no. They catch on some way omo yet the service to their members.
Adding
because me ma buy na this tax waiver ne buy. Ana Professor Amos Ram Hama between ani esan ba aban mu me kan ya say teacher mo nkuni aban no nsan ko kan nsan famra bio fisa anya hwe kra no teacher ni na katua sa na onyaka papa bi no odamu a obenya very maintenance allowance kakra ade aka ho na ni nyina masika na eden apagya na ahohia kakra omu no watumi ayi ade nyina afiro o man tumi anye na bibi every power.
So at least ultimately pay base pay ni mukra. There should be incentives.
Absolutely, because any salary no ko. We should be I don't know one person I'm reporting you say one of the government agencies MD no ankasa kra no battens allowance or just battens allowance. Because I say teacher for allowance is no more there. You see, eti nipa na all shabono. Me dey all shabono and na hear me o. So bet you near here because teacher dabra 1 year down the lane. Yanya hu ira ba akukura yesi ama teacher ni.
I don't know who is any power shabono. Are
mama sheba na so sheba woni so. O sheba woni so.
Sa ebiti se di.
Na won to mam na o ka kire na me ka bi kire say so no na ka kire teacher for say obesi da am omo. Ewe. A teacher for eco village say sia sa 20% allowance no so da mom eno so we. Ewe I just want to know. Because Urama Makroya can say, Nanaku for the project be a washa see, when you or Bobby Vienna. I had done a Jacumase, Accra Highway Road, no to say a second for one chain. It's in the bush, some now, or can have been a maker you. What cancer hospitals here, Nanaku for Lucy here, or Bobby sitting in I and come a jam with your mom, I know. The budget more you must say Macquaco 10. Over 100 different projects, Macquaco 10. I could see check compound for one chain.
But say omo promise any project be a beginning be a no district assembly MMDCs no emfa say legacy project no mu nwie enti no there they've solved.
Enti mo ankasa mo say more reporters no mo ko e ma hu say mo do so no mo timaye.
Now say afi no mo ready budget you.
I'm ready budget.
The afi no by allocation. Of course, but way specifically it was 2026 there. And I make a legacy project here.
Ana misuro no. Ma ora ma na ho shabon na misuro na nye asem na ho kan asem de on the asem ya de onum ka wo. Obeka ma ho ya o de. De duru ho so obeya de no a ana abehunu. What you say? Omo ka so be coders program bi ama mmemu no. 1 million. The patro say sika say na mutum de omo training.
Other Ministry of Communication.
Yes, omo training ni pasai.
For coders.
O kan say oba be a project omo friend no agri bibi. We te kwa say na so oka. Say agri kan ho nsem so akosi sen. Say si an owura ma na o share ye bo. Pa o ka che se obema ye adwuma ye be gina mu sa 24 hours no me pa cho se sia mo amoye bia na
but some dey a road map na ba
me pa cho mo ye bi
framework has been made and say answer be roll bia you need to do paperwork you need to set the foundation before obechase so but at least on say nkokon ketekete o mu be roll ya
yes nkokon ketekete na fi so pebu bia you bro nyo na we
so pebu
onya abutare na afi ne car no ye move a change first year no
ba ona bo 12 months ago
oh
e o 30 months
enya hwi sa afi na yaye 3 years ni yetim di ye ne ma bibri your mama the first term na obaye no the first term no 4 years no enya ma o ye na so se no mo di 8 years no
really
I'm telling you eniema jo mama ye ni 4 years no na akufo ado ni 8 years
eno dey say nya data na
opa mo amko fanwe tamu ani ye ka kire om ye di green book no ba om ka kire say photoshop na nya no kure eni ba bia but later
obi ehun say green book ni project mbo ani di ho
oh ma emu kire me de na eni ho
oh
no opa next time me ba me di green book ni be bro na wa no wa hwe say we ye ni date we ye ni date we
I think say
mama what me perform miracles must men doubt no I'm telling you papa ne betimi aye hwe almost start ya na da bia 24 hour na 24 hour economy ni dia me say ebeba so because answer na be 24 hour economy no untimi nya wa abra street lights enya adwuma
of course
security too mo say nya street lights kura bi ni ho What would mean 24-hour economy? Wabra, we need security. Enough security. Now you have for police, soldiers, and one now. Because here, you have Bambocas. And son will be at Timia Sorana Jubre, Aqua Juma. The Atotonia Medina Gugu Aquem. You may say, Yan change the first GRDA, you know, and
more 4 years. No, my first one.
The Embo would you move 24-hour economy? And son 2028. You have to answer the Diaka about this. And the Mizaran Papunya would tell my
Joy Online. 2nd June 2024. Mahama promises to enhance Okada business with electric motorbikes. But what will say Biaba?
Electric motorbikes, but okay.
The more Okada, or the more Okada
for system.
Or the Aba.
Without the implementation, without proper documentation, we can give them benefits. We can give them benefits of that. Because Okada legalization, the agent and everything. I feel no much as a DVL.
Okay. Me pacho teacher dabre policy na o man penny promise ye no. Omo 2026 budget omo read oti ho asem.
Debbie.
Thank you.
I think say nutina not for train agencies to say.
Good.
The new man
na sa bibi we mu odu sei. Where you any free so ye through budget nim. Now what you mean tamsika 292 million their quarter part amonsene at chema school for kwala.
But no, you say part any important because don't forget some people are buying war. You are number person who
292 million.
No, so yeah.
Now even 24-hour economy.
No.
What's for 200 million pound shame?
Respect.
And you are telling me, sir,
Sikano na utia no benka se pad munya jedwa. But me say Sikano na ya against. And I said the policy itself. I
am not against anything, but sir, one set of priorities writer. Ade be money pay juma. Ama nipa inside I call juma so. No anya ketua. No onu atumi atobi. Na so wo say sika ni nyina na so wo de on fancy factory mpa. 290 million. We are talking about some 2 trillion 920 billion. That's an year. What time says kind of got time on Sine?
That's the time on numbers of Muslim Chapa. It was said that name Moses Canam de Beto. Now, yeah, I say
MPP Crabber Tago day. One Casa do one dance wedding carbon and Adra Basso. Now, one of our key senior free and one also. And I make concern here about and then me. Ya wo metafoha e kwan na data fo a na ye asphaltic overlay so am kwan service ni twam komampon enso ne ura tafo ura kodua junction mu akosi gokruma asphalt egu fefefe o fa bonso mu junction sa akosi brema visi asphalt egu fefefe we ye replicated in so many areas ye roads are built here over 13,000 kilometers worth of roads MBP you know
Feature kwano amusi. Mwana mukan yo. Nyame. Nyame ochoda ko na be kan.
So we can talk about so many things and na do dan kwakufu ado. Aban ya. Ene NDC for na nkasa hu no mo yam hye wo mo. Ya kofa drones by man ka chese drones ye di ko twetwa man no deja. And so next time God you continue drones he be too ya hwe ya tell no see wuri upon ensem.
Oh, but say contract with drones in the zip line.
But say sia no ma sa ba be gu mi o ma gu no. And this for us be gu sia adwuma no. Because e no ni moja fa ya jini pa.
Minister Kando. And man need distributing in ye adia ye medically
omo an person mo twam. No mo twam. Ye nim ni so mo twam. It is also ba na say enye adwuma e wo say ye na e ya. You have the responsibility to make sure say be yes adwuma no.
Demand in what do you do?
Demand in what? Do you know how many people are suffering in the villages? That drones no find no call.
It depending the demands be free villages, you know, cheap compounds because any major hospital is about the cheap compounds, clinics and war areas, you know. And it's a demand in free hall. Now every month you still have to pay. If you're a businessman, you have to review and come back. Though to me, I mean, really, the reporter or digital so me clearly me read it in Nancy. But every businessman be an answer be investing. You need to sit down, review and see say ade yenya sikana ye de kon yenya ho faso ana. If not ya madi ni kwa ndada yin.
No kwasem pa so ni say we gen this food dia
no.
Because
me dey me be tufo.
And to me for
I mean tufo.
Me ma MDC ni to me for.
Baka me ya ho nepa o.
O ma MDC ni tufo.
Me ma MDC ni tufo.
O ba that's unfair.
The chira say daddy o, the chira say ade no wo ho a eye adwuma. Wo ba ye wo se watwam de anim se watwam. Enti ora ma de o ka asam a me de me say well
right, honorable but Joe Monya line ready. Ebe fakos a few minutes that may fakos 0548 931 931 0548 931 931 I think 054 055 1931 931. Okay, so 055 931 931 0548 931 931. When in lines are no pay yedi adwuma so on mamra ho now person chip in
me 2 million no for titru Mr. Dankwa. You see enema bi wa yemfa eni agro waka asem bi wa ma me ra ho sa free sanitary pass na ye che no a wo ka ho asem no wan we abema Ghana ma no yiwa no bibiri no adwam lai saa ne yekofa nkokon kitenkete ye kan ya pe na muso mu na nkokon kitenkete na nko ba me ka tro aba omoto ye ndodo no a nkokon kitenkete nti na omoto aba na mai maybe munim me ko rural areas bebre ko ye campaign na wo kan nkokon kitenkete ho asem a wo hu se nkrofo oboye tirinko ba na that time na muso mu di ye ho few e wo ho MPP mo anwe na mo yesa enema bi ho amumu enso so na di vote ba yen as politicians. Ntimi de afutuo no so wo be fa de a yes ade bi wo amumu kura but eno so di vote prayer pa enti me de kakra me ne mo be kan.
All right, me da say afei me fa course no 0548931931 0551931931 my man nya me first caller. Hello, good morning. Too bad. Joe yanko line 2. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Yes sir, Pacho uding ni baby akase free.
Hello, Pacho, I am very lucky because I'm free. Atibu, ever on is roji.
Yentio.
Pacho, program you know, me basu kakra. Pacho, me better me masami nyane say ora mama aningwase no guye. Esa se o se ya one na gu single trans or bubu single time. Now okay na set na teachers for 8 months. Oh, now mo get 3 months. Teacher ni wako school we are back from ni get 3 months. Na get a good month now who do complete school. But this mama ba no gu and we're in 3 months. And this happened with a man, papa. Young fee guarantee ourselves. Guarantee us, Mamma, who you'll be any supply. Who guarantee for many good. Never several men are self-protect them. And so time I am, but and the council will can you buy more every equation and so now. And the same way, and here, I will say, Okoko for natural components, none of the report by outside say, you know, I won't be anymore.
All right, may I say hello, good morning. Good morning. Open you dinner baby I can say free. Emmanuel. Imam yenti wa no pay any Jesus line. Jesus line. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes sir, udin baby akase free.
But you're from Mama.
Ahmed yenti o.
If I go any kaja anything say. Hello?
Yenti o penyi.
Kaja anything say. He said, yeah, for boy, to say. Okay, Omunta that I at the end of Monsen and I, and I broke and took the move.
Okay, Alasan, thank you. Hello, good morning. Line 1, Annie. Line 1. Hello, good morning. I think the infant should tune him near number. So let's change the cable. Okay. Hello, good morning. Yeah, open Udin by Akase free. Yes, sir. Udin by Akase free. Mami Jano pay. Oh, what's happening? Boko open. Kwamna mi enti o free nyina hini.
But so the American say you are mama and government get na that so the American na no dey ba. And that is to make my party for no chama wo.
No, and
then time no. It's only that to meet my yama ni to meet my plan Ghana.
All right. Kwamna mi na say. Hello, good morning. Hello, hello, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, I didn't baby Akase free.
Within the Mustafa family, Yauza, Alex Takada.
Mustafa Mientiano pay.
Munkache NPP ni say. Amuma. Nkaye adima no. Nkaye no skani ni na ishe to. So the boy kunta yebe jisimano. Emo mu yamfa wo pe. Wo ya. Abi say na ya. Abi wa kunu. So we are go at the movement. I want to make up here. When you are graduate, I think that Omo, then I want to make up here. As the Ganamite, you are very you. When you are there for a police city, and you can now put it kind of my head.
May I say hello? Good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Open you didn't baby Akase free. Good. I don't pay me into you.
Then I'm telling you, we saw and can say, oh, man, you are your mama, or personal teacher for no or the fast feeding program. Now, that's why, yeah, now.
But your question you.
But I was going to say, that pan worker said that the school feeding program, no, I pay what the teacher for now, now, why, yeah, now, when yet.
Na school feeding and senior high school na no say omo dining ho nsem no ye de be ma teacher for that was in school feeding. Okay, so what I know is omo sha say omo de ma heads no but say omo de akọ buffer stock, omo de akọ back to buffer stock till they are perishable goods and no ewo heads of schools in nsem ana non perishable no buffer stock at the bro. Better say hello, good morning. Hello, good. Yes, sir. What did baby Akase free? I think the intimate and fafufro. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Open you didn't baby Akase free. Mohammed Yetio.
And they will move together and say, our forest. If you are all making forest, or anything for now, and area or forest more. The Tamana MPP also, Yamaunki, you know, a party, if you don't buy on my chain, or say Ghana forest, and almost buy almost special economic. If you has an MPP, at that. Move the kid invent now. Ade almost so every. There's no question. I can't any of mine. If you say, wouldn't say, Ade we are saying, na obo ni pa ki na so ba na so ba ya na o so o pe o mai no en kan ko o ko ni na ni ya forest en be ko en ye aduma ewu
anu de untimi nka se obi na ye ni any basis be a bejina so akasa say bia wo facts bia we don't have. Medasi, hello, good morning. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Oh, hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, Audi.
If I tell me, your friend Ali Mohammed, because I free at one point one day, you cry a friend of so.
Ali Mientiano pay.
If I tell, can I say, I'm paying John Dramani for buy, you know. Papa, no more than one, yes, sir. The brother, the monk, to Papa, no, say, hey. Wabama no men dina to form. One TV see die for we see die. Eti me kasa na o kasa tire no. Yeah, obi enya na bia mo di sa amanya sam no enya MPP NDC. Yo nipa ne ba wo beti na ye no ene na oman ne nyina ba adi na chini ato abama me.
Medasi Ali, I am for last call. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, Audin.
Me dey Abalam Kenya Sibosori.
Good. Yenti on free Kenya Sibosori.
Over there, Galante, Galante, yeah, they are making a class of an house. Because Galante, they were at the and also put on passport, they can't come on. We want to guarantee what matter what I think. From it is our idea. For life, can be the number of money or the antenna.
All right. Meda thank you very much. I think we to be for Freddy BIBM. Young call it a day now. Sports for Metna say full time. No, I ready. Team Nina Eba Anopay na Oma Betna say Orlando Mbapa. Afei the apostle himself. Team na I ready to serve you. Anopay Mamina Abuafo Nina say RSYD Novigi Studios. Anopay so ope program bia so munchawa. Omucha team say crystal clear. Ope a podcast so mbetwa wo program bi ope so transmitting in live ni nyina omo ye ho adwuma pa omo nkran Malam Abiase offers Kokroko Street be so from 057 471 5778 057 471 5778 and 030 3974 Mamena see Kwesi Joshua Sano Pel Produce Show no na Kwame Jakon so ebet so adaroma twitwa to 2 ma ama ye call ye birthdays ewo birthdays no nyame boa akina be na mamen ma Asari Bedi Ako set former director Asari Bedi Ako set Emma the new Patriotic Party communication director Yama happy birthday Odu ahafua ti brekese ono ane ti vet ahafo director director do pay yesen yakupon sha ne domma yesen yam so for fra dom kwa dom Yama happy birthday on behalf of us myself and the crew you say happy birthday and so enkoma comfort a day and then udi awoda kone yesen yam sha ema yesen yam say on mani mobro hu no enkoso anye kese wa ho fei enno so sa no ma kwatenten happy birthday meda obibias ya frem nana Kwame Ousu Nkwantabisa obetima frem nana Nkwantabisa jami shaw na onte nanim chow onfa ni mununkum ne nkata ye so na ene onche mane so obia so sports for air to so MC Armon Fanchemi